back to my channel. My name is Kristen and today we're going to be doing a huge bedroom clean and decorate with me. This room is what I would call a disaster. I have let it go so bad at this point. I've been working on all these different home projects, the stair makeover, and I've just neglected the room. So we got a lot to clean up in here. Hopefully you do too. We can kind of clean at the same time. And I also picked up some new decor for in here. So I really want to give this room a refresh, clean it up, but also kind of redecorate in here. Before we get started, I want to give a huge thank you to Native Deodorant for sponsoring today's video. I am so excited about working with them. So more about that later on in today's video. Let's go ahead and start this cleaning.
I know, this is very embarrassing. I am totally exposing myself, showing you these before shots, but this is my reality. My room has just gotten completely out of control. I would say it's bursting at the seams. I don't have any room in my drawers, so I really need to come up with storage solutions today and get this whole room sorted. So the first thing I like to do when cleaning my room is start with my bed. It's the biggest thing in the room, and I really like to just start a load of laundry before I do anything else, so that can be running in the background. Another thing I start with, because it takes a while, is just cleaning up this mattress and refreshing it using baking soda and essential oils. So I'm mixing together a mixture and letting that sit on my mattress for about 10-15 minutes before I vacuum it back up. That's really going to remove the odors out of your mattress, you know, all this dark area, and clean it up a bit. So in the meantime, while I let that sit, we're going to multitask and clean off my headboard. I think I'm the type of sleeper that sleeps with my hands in the air or touching my headboard, so there's probably so many finger oils on there, and I'm just getting it all off using my natural lemon essential oil cleaner.
Okay, I'm so glad I started out by cleaning my bed because it just made the entire room smell so good. That lime oil is like so sweet but sour, so it kind of smells like I'm just in a Sour Patch Kid right now. Highly recommend doing that. I've been really loving using natural cleaners around the home. A lot of you guys have suggested natural cleaning methods in the past in my videos, so I'm all on board with that. I've actually switched over to using natural deodorant as well, because if we're going to be using clean products around our home, might as well be using clean products on our body. So for the past few weeks, I've been using Native Deodorant, and this stuff is amazing. I got 3 different scents. I love the way they smell, and they actually work. Like, I was pretty skeptical about using natural deodorants in the past. I've tried so many, they didn't really work for me until I found these. This one is charcoal. I also got coconut vanilla and eucalyptus mint. And charcoal, I know you're probably like, what does that smell like? It smells so fresh. I don't even know what it smells like because it's not floral. Is it citrus? Maybe it is kind of citrus. I think this is actually my leading favorite right now. I think my second favorite is coconut vanilla, because if I'm gonna pick a body spray, any kind of scent, it's always going to be this kind of sweet, warm smell. This kind of smells like a vacation. And lastly, I got eucalyptus mint, and this one smells really, really fresh. Like, if you want to smell super clean, this is it in a really, really light, subtle way. They definitely have a wide range of different scents to pick from. They're made with natural and familiar ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil. They're aluminum-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and they're vegan and cruelty-free. So it's just all around amazing. They make me feel good and comfortable about putting these on. I've been kind of doing like wear tests with these just to really test them out. You know, you want to find a good deodorant. So I was putting it on in the morning, and oh my gosh, I never smelled bad all day long. I was gardening, doing the staircase makeover, and just constantly like sniffing under my shirt, and it never smelled bad. So I am definitely your guinea pig here. They work. They are amazing. They go on so smooth. They're not sticky at all, which has been a problem in the past. Don't want sticky deodorant, and it dries really quickly, so you're not sitting there, you know, waving out your armpits. You guys can actually save 33% off your first Native deodorant pack plus free shipping using the link down below in the description box, and use my code KMG. So definitely try it out. I think you guys will be so pleased with these. I'm so happy I partnered with Native to share with you guys these amazing deodorants. Now moving on to the floor. These are all clean clothes, by the way. I need to pick these all up fold them, put them away. I actually just got these under bed containers because I'm really running out of room to store clothes and things in this room. So I'm gonna use these to put some stuff away underneath the bed to really save some space. So if you don't have much storage in your room, consider going under the bed, using that space to really make your storage situation work.
So I'm using these underbed storage containers to hold all of my winter pajamas and clothes that I just can't wear in this season. So I'm sticking them under the bed and making more room in the drawers that I have. So I'm using kind of like a Marie Kondo method, rolling up my clothes so I can see everything inside and designating each drawer for a certain thing. So this is going to be my workout clothes drawer. This is going to be some t-shirts and shorts. So I'm just separating everything, taking out all the old stuff that I don't need there and putting it away underneath the bed. These are perfect because they just slide right underneath your bed. They have a lid on top and it just kind of contains everything, but it also allows you to access it. So I highly recommend using bed storage, finding room under your bed. It's the biggest thing in your room, so take advantage of that space. This is definitely something we should all be doing when the season changes. It really makes your room feel so much better. So if you haven't gone through your seasonal clothes yet and you really want to make room for your new wardrobe this season, definitely clean out those drawers and put things away. Now onto the top of my dresser. I've organized the inside. Now I need to get rid of all this clutter on top. Surfaces really always tend to be a place that you just leave things, and that's definitely what this dresser has turned into. So now that I have it all cleared off, I'm again wiping it down with my natural cleaner. It makes the room smell so good, and it really helps take all the dust off and make sure the surface is clean. I also wanted to share with you guys this little hack that I recently discovered to get rid of the wax that's left at the bottom of these Bath & Body Works candles. I can't light this candle anymore, so if you just fill up the glass with boiling hot water, you'll see that the wax starts to melt and come to the top of the jar. It's so amazing. It's so cool to watch. I sped up the whole process for you here, but once you let that water cool, it will turn into kind of like a puck and you can remove it out of the glass container and you'll have a clear jar. So that's how I've been cleaning out my candles lately. I always find candles that are not able to light anymore around the house, so that's what I've been doing. I highly recommend trying that. It's really fun, really cool. Anyways, I'm going around the room and getting everything off the floor so I can get ready to vacuum. I have all of this fluff and stuff that's left on the floor because of my new slippers. I didn't realize how much they shed, but it's turned my bedroom floor into this black mess. So I'm vacuuming everything back up so we have a clean, fresh floor. A lot of this cleaning today is putting things away, things that have been left out. I like using baskets and containers to really contain things and put them elsewhere, so I'm sliding this little basket under my bed as well to get rid of all the clutter on my desk. I also really wanted to get a new laundry bin, so that's my first piece of decor that I'm adding to my room. This is something that I just picked up at Homesense. Homesense just opened back up, and I got this basket on sale for $9. It used to be $39. So this is such a deal. It's a little ripped, it's not perfect, but for laundry, it's definitely an upgrade. I can finally pick it up and move down the stairs properly, and it doubles as decor, so I can stick it in the corner and it looks pretty. I just finished washing washing and drying my brand new sheets that I picked up at Homesense as well. I picked out these green cotton sheets and I thought it would add a nice subtle pop of color in the bedding. I didn't want to go with a colorful duvet. I wanted to add that color in the sheets. So if you want to add some color to your room, try this method. I also picked up a new comforter because it was on sale and I really love the texture of it and the color. It really matches with that warm white that I'm using in this room and it's so neutral. So I really wanted to get a new light cover, something that was lighter for the season. So I'm just dressing my bed up and making it look brand new again. I love the way it makes me feel adding new pillows to my bed. I just added these 2 throw pillows that have tassels, some texture, and this beautiful green lumbar pillow. I love that it makes it look like a hotel bedroom and really presentable. You'll notice that I really like to stick to a more neutral color palette in here, so when I am doing that and adding new things, I really stick to adding texture instead of color. So I really love the way these pillows look and it adds such a nice touch to this room. To add a nice whimsical touch in here, I'm adding this pampas grass that I just picked up as well. I haven't been able to find this anywhere, so I feel really lucky to be able to find pampas grass at Homesense right now. It was really affordable and I just feel like it really adds a whimsical, neutral touch to the space. And to add a little finishing touch in here, I'm using this really amazing aromatherapy room spray. It's vanilla, sugar, and lime, and it's all my favorite scents in one. I'm spraying my curtains, my bedding to really refresh this space. Because you guys know I love a good before and after, let's go back and look at what this room looked like earlier on today. Such a disaster, really embarrassing, a really big mess. Check out what I did today by cleaning, organizing, decluttering, and decorating this space. Alright, so that's it for today's bedroom clean and decorate with me. I love the transformation because I couldn't even see the floor before. Everything is so much cleaner. It smells good in here. It's prettier thanks to all of our new decor, and it was just the perfect little bedroom refresh. So this was definitely a full day of work. The sun is going down now, but it was so worth it because now I can finally use this room and not feel so stressed in it. So I highly recommend cleaning your room, so get started on that. And thanks again to Native for sponsoring today's video. You guys should definitely check out their natural deodorant. I think you'd be just as impressed as I am. If you enjoyed watching today's video and love this little transformation, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. My next video is going to be the staircase makeover, so you have to see that. It is a major transformation, so I can't wait to share that with you guys. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you never miss my upcoming videos. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!